As West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee finds herself and her government accountable for the Birbhum violence in which 9 people, including women and children, were burnt to death after the killing of a Trinamool Congress Panchayat leader due to rivalry over illegal sand mining in the area, the Chief Minister has picked up a fight once again with the BJP-led centre. The CBI is probing the Birbhum killings, and the BJP, which is the main opposition in West Bengal, has targeted the Mamata government for the deteriorating law and order in the state. At such a time, Mamata has written to non-BJP chief ministers seeking unity against what she claims is the BJP's attacks at the federal structure of government. Banerjee's letter read, "I am writing to you to express deep concern over direct attacks on this country's institutional democracy by the ruling BJP. Central agencies such as the Enforcement Directorate, the Central Bureau of Investigation, Central Vigilance Commission, and the Income Tax Department are being used to target, harass, and corner political opponents across the country for vendetta." She further wrote, "During the recently concluded winter session, Parliament bulldozed through the Delhi Special Police Amendment Bill 2021 as well as the CVC Amendment Bill 2021 in the midst of an opposition walkout. These laws enable the centre to extend the tenure of the directors of the ED and CBI up to 5 years in blatant violation of a previous Supreme Court judgment. BJP is trying to attack the federal structure of this country by attempting to influence a certain section of the judiciary. As the opposition parties, it is our constitutional responsibility to hold this government accountable for their actions, to resist the stifling of voices of dissent," she wrote in her letter, which was posted on the Trinamool Congress's official Twitter handle as well.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.